In this episode, I will show you the 3 best gimbal bumpers for DJI Avata in 2022. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel for future updates. Let's get started. On number 1 we have StartRC Gimbal Bumper. Durable camera gimbal bumper specially designed for DJI Avata FPV drone. It will not appear in your video, protect your camera and not hinder them work. When the Avata FPV drone collides at high speed, it can resist huge impact force, effectively reduce the damage caused by impact. The shape of the Avata accessories gimbal bumper adopts a U design, which can improve toughness, effectively cushion the impact, does not hinder camera and sensor work, reduce wind resistance. High-strength aluminum alloy, high strength, good toughness. The weight is only 0.03 pounds, will not affect the normal flight of the Avata FPV drone. On number 2 we have RC-style gimbal bumper. This camera gimbal bumper specially designed for DJI Avata FPV drone. Protective your camera but not appear in your video, and not hinder them work. The red exterior effectively warns against birds. The fan-shaped shape forms a protective area for the gimbal cover. The curved front bumper allows Avata to easily flip over in the event of an accidental inversion. If Avata drone have a crash, it will avoid directly impacting the gimbal camera and resist the huge impact force, effectively reduce damage. Make of high-strength aluminum alloy, good toughness and strength. The weight is only 0.028 pounds, not affect the normal flight of the Avata FPV drone. On number 3 we have Balepha case. Aviation-grade aluminum alloy, high strength, high hardness, lightweight and durable. Anti-collision upgrade, effective protection. It can effectively relieve the impact force when the crossing machine is hit and reduce or avoid the damage of the gimbal. The protective bar will not appear in the lens screen and will not affect the shooting of the aircraft. It does not affect the installation and removal of the gimbal cover. Super light, only 5 grams, which minimizes the load of drone and does not affect the flight. So these are some of the best gimbal bumpers for DJI Avata in 2022. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.